We are Bolia. This is us in 136 seconds. We're addicted to creativity. In fact, it's our drug. And what do we do with all that creativity? We put it into furniture. But not just any kind of furniture. Handcrafted, customizable, luxurious, Scandinavian designed furniture made from the finest materials known to woman and man. Always with an eye for detail and a heart for quality. But Bolia is so much more than just furniture. We live to see creativity grow, and we're happy to support creative talents all over the world. Our mission is to blur the lines between design, music, art, and fashion. So, as you can hear, we're really into Scandinavian design, and we want to pay tribute to the people that get up every day to raise the bar by creating amazing designs. Our international design teams are all on the same mission, to create new icons. So every year we're happy to give something back to all the great and upcoming design minds by hosting our annual Design Awards. All our designs are created with beauty from the inside out. We hand-pick the finest and most sustainable materials available and combine them with honest craftsmanship. All that turns into iconic pieces of top-notch quality, handmade in Europe. We also want to make furniture that lasts, so we have a 5-year warranty on all of our designs. We craft our furniture from responsibly sourced and delectable materials, all produced under both socially and environmentally respectful conditions. Tailor-made and customized for personal taste and a clear conscience. We live, breathe, and show our passion for design. We're here for you, wherever and whenever. On your mobile or laptop, Facebook, SoundCloud, Spotify, Instagram, and of course, the place like no other, Bolia.com. No one lives like you.